In this video, I'm going to show you how you can set up an entire sales funnel for absolutely free. You don't have to buy hosting, you don't have to buy an autoresponder, don't even have to buy a squeeze page because I'm going to give you one. Now this is good for collecting email addresses and giveaways, or if you are doing affiliate marketing and you want to collect their email address and then pass them to the affiliate program or to the affiliate sales page. Okay, so there are a few ingredients here. First, I'm going to give you this page here, and you can edit it as you like. So basically, you put in your attention-grabbing headline here, a sub-headline and some bullets, a call to action on how to get the free gift. Okay, so you insert your opt-in form down here. It says Aweber, but whatever opt-in you're going to use. And you have a good squeeze page here. So you'd build yourself a giveaway as well, or you could send a link. I've also included a download page. So if you're just collecting email addresses and giving them a free gift, this is the page you use. Now otherwise, when they opted in from the autoresponder, you would just send them to the affiliate sales page from the page in the autoresponder. When they opt in, you can tell them where to go after they've filled in their email address on autoresponders and send them there. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to host it using Dropbox. With Dropbox, all you have to do is install Dropbox on your computer, set up your account, and you get 5 gig or 2 gig or whatever is of free space. Now in that, you have something called a public folder. Let me just open mine here. Okay, so here's what I have in my Dropbox. Now when you have a Dropbox account, everything is synchronized with the folder on your computer and when you log into your account online. So I could go and log into my account as well and I would see the same stuff here. Now you'll see there is a public folder here. So go into public and you'll see that I have a few things in the public folder here. But all you have to do is bring in your pages that you want and your files that you want to be able to download into here. Okay, so let's just bring in, these are the pages I'm giving you. So I'm going to copy these and then I'm going to paste them in here. Okay, now what we want to do is this opt-in page, you might want to change it to index, but you can name it what you want. If you right click here, you can go down to Dropbox. Actually, let me move it over here. So I go over to Dropbox, and then I'll see copy public link. So grab that. Now, if we go up here, I'm going to open a new tab here, and I paste that URL into my browser. There's our web page hosted on Dropbox. So now I can take this URL, I'm going to copy it out of here. I'll just paste it into a quick notepad to show you what it looks like. Okay, so there is the link to that page. So all I have to do is use that link wherever I want to send somebody to my page. Okay, so you don't have to buy a domain, you don't have to buy any hosting, you can just use Dropbox for your purposes. Okay, so first you would have modified this before you upload it, and the last thing is the autoresponder system. There's a autoresponder here called Listwire. Just go to listwire.com and it's totally free. I'm not going to go into how to use Listwire. All autoresponders pretty well work the same. You set up a list and then you create a form and you create messages. You put your form on your website and that's it. Okay, so you put this onto your form and then you have everything all set up. So all you got to do now is use that link from Dropbox, send people to your page, and just use that as your hosting provider. So you can do this all for absolutely no cost. You can set up a full sales funnel.